Hello again. We are continuing our discussion of algebra by talking about equations and what you can do with them, what they mean, all that kind of stuff. So first let's define some key terms. An open sentence is what we call a mathematical statement with expressions and symbols. And an equation is going to be a sentence with an equal sign as opposed to an inequality sign like less than or greater than. A solution is going to be some value that we can replace the variable with, and that makes the open sentence true. A replacement set is going to be any set of numbers that I can choose to take those values and replace the variable with those values. And then a solution set is any of those numbers that actually work and make the sentence true. An identity is an equation that's true no matter what I plug in for the variable, and those do exist. There are certain equations that are always true no matter what number you replace the variable with. So for example, if I have the replacement set 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, and I have the equation x plus 3 equals 18, I'm only going to try and plug those numbers in for x and see which ones make a true statement. Well, if I plug in 3, the first number in the set, 12 plus 3 is not equal to 18. That's false. 13 plus 3 is not equal to 18. 14 plus 3 is not equal to 18. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18, so that value of the variable makes that sentence true. And 16 plus 3, I had to try the last one. That is not equal to 18, so the solution is 15 for that example. If I have 20 minus y equals 8, using the same replacement set, 20 minus 12 is equal to 8, but none of the rest of them work. So the solution there would be x equals 12. Okay, so here's another example. If I have 3, 4, 5, and 6, I want to find the solution for 5y plus 10 equals 5 times y plus 2. So if I replace y with 3, I get 5 times 3 plus 10 equals 5 times 3 plus 2. 15 plus 10 equals 5 times 5. 25 does equal 25. So 3 is a solution. If I plug in 4, I get 5 times 4 plus 10 equals 5 times 4 plus 2. So 20 plus 10 is 5 times 6. That's 30 equals 30. So 4 also works. If I try plugging in 5, that also works. And if I try plugging in 6, that also works. So since all 4 of those numbers worked, then that means that for those 4 numbers, the equation 5y plus 10 equals 5 times y plus 2 is an identity. So hopefully that's enough examples for you to work from. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you tomorrow.